Hello everyone, Hobbies here. So today we're gonna have some review on Chainsaw Man action figure. For whoever that not familiar with the character, Chainsaw Man is quite a famous anime. It tells about a young man named Denji that have merged with the demon called Pochita. So Pochita is some kind of dog that have chainsaw on his head and somehow possessed Denji and gave him a power to transform into a chainsaw man. So guys, this figure is quite magnificent. As you can see, the detail of the figure is quite amazing. So it's simple, it's not complicated, but it's clear. You can see the shirt, the teeth, and the tongue. It's quite long, like Venom. And you also see its blood in here. Wow, his hand. And this is the back of his head. See, I think this is his machine or whatsoever because it's chainsaw, right? So this is the handle. You can see that the handle, and also this is shoes, quite sporty shoes, and as you can see, like other S.H. Figuarts, this figure also have an articulation. The joint is quite many, and therefore you can make many poses like this one or this. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, the the mouth is quite uh, detachable. I mean, if you want to change his mouth, there is option parts for that. So yeah, okay, continue. So I'm gonna show you some of his joint, like this on this leg. Okay, part of his knee. So it's part of the shoe. You can put it like this. Oh, sorry, it's feet. I mean, his feet, like this. Okay, you can also turn the feet like this one, and you can also do it like this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just a little. I think just a little bit. Okay, like. Oops, I think it's quite tight. Okay, we're gonna not force that. Okay, same with the other legs. See the joint here and double joint on there. Okay, you can also do it like this. Okay, or like this, going forward, going back. Okay, and for the hands, you can also do it like this. Okay, standard. You can move like this one. So this is the elbow. There is joint on his elbow, right? Or going up and going down. So there is some kind of joint in here too. Okay, same with the other hands. You can also turn his arms this. Okay, do it the same thing with the other arms. Just be careful because the ball joint is quite small, so you have to be careful. Don't force it. Just, you know, it's not tight, but it's not loose either. So you have to be careful. All right. So, okay, his head. You can. Oh, sorry. Right. The left side is quite loose, but positive, uh, the positive things about this that you can easily detach it and change it with the other parts. Okay, we just continue. So the head can move like this and this is also going up and going down. I think there is no joint on his neck. So, but when you uh, use his mouth, you just have to be careful because, like I said, it's quite loose. So, just hold it on. So, it will not have. Sorry, the mouth will hold the head when you moving it. So, okay. Just be careful if you want to twist his head, you know. And going up. All right. Oh yeah, how about his main body here, the abdomen? Okay, he can do it like this. So there is a joint in here and in here, so you can, okay, and you also just a little bit, just a little bit. You can also twist a little bit his upper parts, this and this. Nice. Okay, this is the, if you look from the back. Okay, so I think that is enough for the joint, and we're gonna talk about the parts. Okay, so this is the box. So I think this is the manga version. So there is two kind of version of this figure. So this is the manga version. The reason why I choose this because it's have more detail rather than the anime version. I mean, you can see the blood, the shade of the color, and every part of this figure is kind of more detailed than the anime, if I'm not wrong, of course. Uh, that's why it's become my favorite. Okay, continue. So this is the boxes. This was made by Bandai Namco. You can see the logo here, Chainsaw Man, and this is the back. So it's quite a famous pose. If you read the manga, he can do so many action pose, which is satisfying. Okay, so the parts not many. Sorry about it. Okay, So as you can see here, there is another mouth which is closed mouth. There is a tie which is a normal tie, and there is a what is called a waving tie. So it will put it on his body if you want to make some action move. So the tie will not stand still, of course. It will moving around because of the wind and the movement. So let me open this for you. Alright, so this is what we call an action tie. So there is some part here that can you attach to it. And again, it's kind of loose, so you have to be careful. Somehow it's easily to, you know, detach from the body. Here you go. Nice. When I'm just, put it on the shelf, it detaches so often. So you have to be careful because it's also small. So you can easily losing it. Okay. And this is the normal tie. So if he doesn't do anything, sorry about that. Here you go. Just walking around, work in the office. Yeah. Okay. Let's start another mouth. This is the normal mouth, the closed mouth that I mentioned early. So, yeah, it still look badass with closed mouth. You see, this is Chainsaw Man already. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about this. This is I think his eye, but it's more like a glowing eye. It also represent the lamp of the chainsaw, I think. And you can see also in this side. And about the chainsaw, surprisingly, it's quite sharp, so you have to be careful. It's quite sharp and small, so I'm just afraid it's easily broken. Just don't touch it very often, especially the chainsaw. Alright. Okay, let's talk about the hand. So this is one of the hand that you can put it on the chainsaw, yes. Alright. So you can just separate like this. And you can attach to the chainsaw side by side. It's easy. It's not difficult. So you don't have to pull it from the arms. It's more practical this way. I have to admit, the creator is quite genius to make the hands like this. I mean, it's more easy to put it than just pull it directly from the arms. It's risky though. So there are also like this one, the palm, the closed palm. Nice. Same method, you just, you know, separate it. Oh, okay, all right. See, and you can just put it again. Oops, okay. So this is the hand that I'm talking about. So you just probably have to separate it and put it like this on this side and this side. It's quite easy. Okay, about the details, everything is perfect. The neck, the handle, the machine, and it's a simple figure. You can see the belt here. Denji is just some kind of student, normal student. So there is no another detail. It's quite simple, but I don't know. It's just more badass than the anime version, like I mentioned before. But hey, let me hear about your opinion in the comment. Maybe there's something that I miss because I cannot buy uh, the two of them because this figure is quite rare now. Because whenever the figure is out, people is just rush to buy it because the anime is also good. Same studio that made Jujutsu Kaisen, which is a Mappa studio. Wow, yeah, I really, I really recommend it to buy it if you the anime lover and you like some kind of freaky character, the Chainsaw Man, and there is some kind of blood here. Pretty cool, I guess. So I think that's enough of my review. Thank you for your attention. Actually, this is my first review that using my real voice. If you see my previous video, I've only used some music and some words, and I'm decided to not do that again because using my real voice is more practical, more interactive, and it's more fun, of course. I'm easily to give you my opinion more effectively. So thank you guys for everything. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment about this figure, about the price, about the difficulty to acquire it, to get it, of course. And you have another opinion or some question, please leave a comment. For now, yeah, just enough for today. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time.